Hello, I'm Mark. Welcome to Red Duchess Farm. We're going to do something a little different today, different than what we normally do. We're going to make cheesecake. Not the fancy 3-cheese, springform pan bake, that kind of cheesecake. We're going to make a quick, easy, no-bake cheesecake. Probably similar to what you'd buy in the box in the store. And it's only got 3 ingredients in it. And it's really easy, really inexpensive to make. If you're going to some church event, family event, that sort of thing, it's a great thing to take. We took 4 when we went to Deep South Homestead Spring Gathering. We took 2 to Danny and Wanda's the day before at their little gathering at their house, and there were no leftovers. And then we took 2 to the gathering, and there were no leftovers there either. So it seems to pretty much be a hit wherever we take it. So let me show you real quick how we throw together a couple cheesecakes. This is a really simple recipe. I'm making 2 cheesecakes. So it is 2 packages of Philadelphia cream cheese, where I'm using the Aldi's brand. 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, and I'm using the Aldi's brand here, and 1/2 cup of lemon juice. So you set your cream cheese out and let it soften, and just take a mixer and break it up a little bit. And once it's broken up a little bit, add the sweetened condensed milk. And if you only want to make one of these, just use 1 box of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. We just usually make 2 at a time whenever we make them. And then we mix these together. And once these are mixed together, just start adding your lemon juice. I usually add a little bit at a time. It gets a little splashy if you add it all at once. So. Once the lemon juice is all added, just mix it for a short time here. Make sure there are no lumps. And once it is thoroughly mixed, we buy the graham cracker, pre-made graham cracker pie shells. And once it's all mixed together, it's ready to go on the pie shells. I'll put these covers back on these and put them in the refrigerator. Let them set for an hour or so until they firm up, and then if whatever fruit you've got that you want to put on top of them, if you want to put fruit on them, is fine. We usually buy cherry pie filling, and I will use 1 can. I'll pre-chill this, and I will use 1 can on the 2 cheesecakes. And that's all there is to making a really, really simple cheesecake. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day from Red Duchess Farm.